last step here, you've got negative keywords.
So negative keywords is a bit of a funky concept, right? And this again is like, depending on the match types we used when we were setting up our keywords, Google is going to serve us for other keyword phrases that aren't exactly put in. Now, if we used exact match for every one of our keywords, we would never have to bother with negative keywords. In the event that we're using phrase, broad, modified broad, Google will actually show us what are some of the terms that our ads were shown for. So you have to look across this top box. I put it in green. The default is it's going to show you the search keyword. So those are the words that you put into your campaign. If you go over here 2 tabs, it'll tell you search terms. That means what were the terms that users actually put in that generated your ads. So these aren't always aligned. And in this case, I thought some of these were pretty interesting, right? We're doing roofing and somebody put in the search phrase Coleman Yuma tent roof seal. So the roof seal part is like what we do for commercial roofing, but we don't do anything with tents, for God's sakes. So that if that got 2 clicks, we've wasted that money. If those are $19 per click or whatever,
ouch,
that's money we just lit on fire. So every week I'm in here looking at what were the terms. If they're not applicable, you simply check the boxes and add them to an exclude list. And you'll see up here, here's one example that was already excluded. Mm-hmm. Likewise, you can add terms. So if we thought roofing sealant was a good fit for our campaign, and that's something somebody searched, we can easily add it to the campaign or we can exclude it. So looking at your search terms is going to give you a realistic view.
Because it matched to something you've already got, but it was something that was broad match. You might want to put that in specifically as a phrase match.
Exactly. So it's a great way to expand your universe, but also to get rid of terms that are probably killing your spend. I mean, at the end of the day, if you look at this and you haven't gotten into your search campaign in a quarter, you're doing your once a quarter review and you go, this tab can be really painful. You can see all the places where you poorly spent money on terms that weren't really related to your business.
That's great.
And, it's just a huge footnote on this whole thing. You will never think of all the crazy random phrases that people use when they're doing their search, both positive and negative. So learning as you go, it is a forever optimizing process. So your campaign work is never done. It's always worth it to log in. I would say early on for a campaign that is spending $100 a day or more, I'm trying to be in there 3 times a week. As you get more familiar with the interface, as you're quickly checking keyword performance, ad performance, negatives, maybe you're only having to be in there 15 to 30 minutes, but it really is a thing that benefits from some frequency. Because if you wait 3 months, you'll figure out that you've misspent thousands of dollars.
Don't want to do that. All right, great. Thank you so much, Matt Hessler, and I'm Matt Harada, and we appreciate you going through our course.
Get in there. Don't be afraid. Start some search stuff. All of it is about knowing which levers to pull and just keep testing.
Fantastic. Thanks, everyone. Bye.